Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel saya Simply Ongko. Jadi hari ini saya dan teman-teman saya akan mengunjungi air terjun Usang. Di sana kita akan menemui dua air terjun sekaligus dan lokasinya tidak jauh dari Kampung Bahong. Jadi ikuti kami terus ya. Ciao.
Things we keep inside, I know I'll be alright. I'll fight with will and time. Yeah, I won't lose mine. Wake up and every day told me a promise that I would make it one day as an artist. Music's the only thing keeping me honest. I know that I want it, I'm hoping I got it. Addicted to all this remotely melodic. See how some people become alcoholics. Addiction is real but mine isn't as toxic. Although sometimes I feel a little psychotic. I know that I got it in me, can't stop what's in me to the top. Believe me, I'm not resisting, it's all beginning. I'm all but willing to break the ceiling. Oh, take a chance and do it, take a stance and prove it to yourself, improving every day you're moving, every day's a new one. Don't fear to lose one, bounce back and move on. The things we keep inside, I know I'll be alright. I'll fight with.
Oke, dari sini kita bisa melihat salah satu dari air terjunnya. Satunya lagi masih belum kelihatan karena masih tertutupi oleh pohonan-pohonan. Jadi kita harus jalan ke bawah lagi. So, let's go.
Don't waste my time cause I earned it. Never got rid of the thirst, so much it hurts. Listen to my words, everyone's the worst. That's why I'm immersed in my own universe. And I know it's a curse, probably put me in a hearse. But I still write a verse, maybe time will reverse. If I put in the work while everything hurts. Take a chance.
Oke teman-teman, welcome to upUsang Waterfall. Teman-teman bisa melihat keindahan dari air terjun ini. Dan ini adalah air terjun yang pertama. Setelah ini kita akan mengunjungi air terjun yang kedua yang letaknya cuma di seberang. So enjoy this video.
I'm losing my mind, everything will be fine. Know that I'll be alright, that I'll be alright. I'm losing my mind, everything will be fine. Know that I'll be alright, that I'll be alright. I'm losing my mind, everything will be fine. Know that I'll be alright, that I'll be alright. I'm losing my mind, everything will be fine. Know that I'll be alright, that I'll be alright. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top.